In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. Trader Workstation, or TWS, is Interactive Brokers' advanced desktop platform. And by the end of this guide, you'll have it downloaded and ready to launch. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Interactive Brokers. In the results, click the official Interactive Brokers website. A quick tip to stay safe, make sure the address shows the interactivebrokers.com domain and a secure padlock icon in the address bar so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right area and select Log In. This takes you to a page where Interactive Brokers also provides platform downloads. From there, choose Download Trader Workstation. You'll be directed to the TWS software page. On the download page, select TWS Latest. This is the most up-to-date version and includes the newest features, security updates, and fixes. It's the recommended choice for most users. The site typically detects your operating system and surfaces the correct installer automatically. If it doesn't, you can manually pick Windows, macOS, or Linux before proceeding. Click Download to start the download process. Your browser may show the file at the bottom of the window, or it will save it to your Downloads folder. If your browser asks for permission to keep or open the file, go ahead and confirm. Now let's install. On Windows or Mac, open your Downloads folder, double-click the installer, and follow the on-screen prompts. Accept the license agreement, keep the default install location unless you have a reason to change it, and click Next or Finish when prompted. If your system asks for permission to allow changes, approve it so the installer can complete. On Linux, open a terminal and navigate to your downloads directory. Make the installer executable by running chmod u plus x TWS latest standalone Linux x86 sh. Then start it with PlayStation TWS latest standalone Linux x86. Follow the prompts to finish the setup. After installation, you'll see a TWS icon on your desktop or in your applications. Double-click to launch. When TWS opens, log in with your Interactive Brokers credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. The first launch may take a moment as TWS initializes, so don't worry if it's a bit slower than usual. That's it. You searched for Interactive Brokers, went to the official site, navigated through Login to Download Trader Workstation, chose TWS Latest, downloaded, and installed it. If you run into issues, check your internet connection, verify you use the correct installer for your operating system, and ensure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the app. Enjoy trading with TWS.